this is Lucky Spaniel Designs. My name is Laura and this is Makeover Monday. For today's Makeover Monday, we are refinishing this desk in Country Gray from Annie Sloan. Let's see how it goes. I first started off by cleaning down this piece with a nice green cleanser and a rag, just to make sure it was clean, and that makes it have a nice smoother finish. Then I went in with a sanding block to make sure that there wasn't any extra paint drips or anything from the previous paint job that had been done to this piece. Of course, you want to wipe it down after as well. Time to paint. So when you start out with your first coat, Annie Sloan's paint is really forgiving, so you don't have to work in one particular direction. You can kind of just slap it on and get that first coat down. Now, I will say when I go in for my second coat, I take a little bit more time to follow, in one direction, and that way it will help me eliminate brush strokes and make sure that it's just a nice smooth finish. And there's the first coat. Time for the reveal. All right, so that concludes our Makeover Monday. This is the finished piece. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, please like, subscribe, share, and comment down below if you have any questions, or let me know what you guys want to see next. I will see you guys next Monday. Bye.